Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this unknown light and sound which it lights up and screams. It is motion activated. This one, you remember that I reviewed my ghost from the previous video, and the link that will be in the description below. Let's see. This one. Okay, decoration indoor use only. Light and sound which it lights up. It even screams this time. Like the previous video, you remember it boos. Alright. Same results. Speaker and on-off switch is the same thing. It's LED light up. There's a motion sensor to detect motion. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn it on. It does it 5 times. So when you detect motion, it even responds. Cool. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video of my unknown motion activated LED light up sound and witch. Also, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.